The world of marketing is rapidly changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's powerful, and it's transforming how businesses connect with their audiences. AI tools are automating tasks, personalizing experiences, and providing marketers with in-depth data analysis, ultimately leading to more effective campaigns and improved return on investment. Gone are the days of generic marketing blasts. Today's consumers demand personalized experiences, tailored to their unique needs and preferences. This is where AI comes in, empowering marketers to understand their audience on a deeper level and deliver highly targeted messages that resonate. Imagine crafting compelling ad copy in seconds or generating eye-catching visuals without needing a graphic designer. AI makes these tasks and many more a reality for marketers of all skill levels. From content creation to data analysis, AI is revolutionizing the marketing landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities for businesses to reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. This is just the beginning of the AI marketing revolution, and the possibilities are limitless. 3 powerful AI tools are leading the charge in this marketing revolution: ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Google Gemini. Each brings unique capabilities to the table, offering marketers a comprehensive suite of tools to elevate their strategies. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a language model capable of generating human-like text. It excels at creating various content forms, from engaging social media posts to persuasive ad copy and even long-form articles. DALL-E, also from OpenAI, is an AI image generator that transforms text prompts into stunning visuals. Marketers can use DALL-E to create custom images for social media, websites, and marketing campaigns without needing professional design software. Google Gemini, Google's latest foray into the AI arena, is an advanced AI system designed to analyze vast datasets and predict future trends. Marketers can use Gemini to analyze campaign performance, identify potential opportunities, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their strategies. These 3 AI tools, each with its unique strengths, are ushering in a new era of marketing, one where creativity and data-driven insights converge to deliver exceptional results. ChatGPT is a game-changer for marketers seeking to streamline their content creation process. Imagine being able to generate catchy taglines, write compelling product descriptions, or even draft entire blog posts in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Need engaging social media posts to captivate your audience? Simply feed ChatGPT a topic and some relevant keywords, and it can generate a variety of creative and attention-grabbing posts. Struggling with writer's block for your next ad campaign? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm fresh ideas and generate compelling ad copy that resonates with your target demographic. But ChatGPT's capabilities extend far beyond short-form content. It can also assist in creating longer-form content such as blog posts, articles, and even website copy. By providing ChatGPT with a topic and some key points, marketers can generate well-written and informative content that engages their audience and boosts their search engine rankings. In the visually driven world of digital marketing, captivating imagery is crucial for capturing attention and conveying brand messages effectively. DALL-E empowers marketers to create unique and impactful visuals without needing design expertise. Need a striking image for your next social media campaign? Simply describe your vision to DALL-E using natural language prompts and watch as it generates stunning visuals tailored to your specifications. Want to create custom illustrations that align with your brand identity? DALL-E can bring your ideas to life, generating images in various styles from realistic to abstract and everything in between. DALL-E's ability to transform text into images opens up a world of creative possibilities for marketers. It allows them to bypass the often time-consuming and costly process of working with designers, giving them the power to create high-quality visuals in-house. From social media graphics to website banners and even email marketing visuals, DALL-E provides marketers with the tools to create visually stunning campaigns that captivate their audience and enhance brand storytelling. Data is the lifeblood of modern marketing, and Google Gemini emerges as the ultimate data analysis tool, providing marketers with unprecedented insights to optimize their campaigns and predict future trends. Imagine being able to analyze the performance of your marketing campaigns across multiple channels in real time, identifying what's working, what's not, and why. Google Gemini can do just that, providing marketers with a comprehensive view of their campaigns. But Gemini's capabilities go beyond simply analyzing past performance. It can also forecast future trends based on historical data, helping marketers make proactive decisions to optimize their strategies and stay ahead of the curve. Want to know which demographics are most likely to engage with your product? Gemini can analyze your target audience data and identify key segments, allowing you to tailor your messaging and target your campaigns more effectively. By harnessing the power of Google Gemini, marketers gain a competitive edge, making data-driven decisions that drive results and maximize their marketing return on investment. The power of AI in marketing is undeniable, but integrating these tools effectively requires a strategic approach. Here are some practical tips to help marketers harness the full potential of AI. Start with a clear objective. Before diving into the world of AI marketing tools, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to generate more leads, increase brand awareness, or improve customer engagement? Choose the right tools. With numerous AI marketing tools available, selecting those that align with your specific needs and objectives is crucial. Asterisk. Focus on personalization. AI excels at analyzing data and identifying patterns, allowing marketers to create personalized experiences for their audience. Don't underestimate the human touch. While AI can automate tasks and provide valuable insights, it's essential to remember that human creativity and empathy remain crucial in marketing. Stay updated on the latest advancements. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new tools and technologies emerging regularly. By following these tips, marketers can effectively integrate AI into their strategies, maximizing their impact and driving tangible results. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into marketing strategies, addressing the ethical implications is crucial. Data privacy. AI relies heavily on data, and marketers must prioritize the responsible and ethical use of customer information. Transparency is key. Be upfront with consumers about how their data is being used and ensure you have robust data privacy policies in place. Bias in algorithms. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data reflects existing biases, the AI outputs can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. Marketers must be vigilant in identifying and mitigating potential biases in their AI tools. Transparency and disclosure. When using AI-generated content, such as text or images, it's important to be transparent with your audience. Disclose that the content was created using AI tools to maintain trust and authenticity. By addressing these ethical considerations proactively, marketers can build trust with their audience and ensure the responsible use of AI in their strategies. The future of marketing is undeniably intertwined with AI. As these technologies evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that further transform the industry. Hyper-personalization AI will enable marketers to deliver hyper-personalized experiences to individual consumers, tailoring messages, offers, and content based on their unique preferences and behaviors. Predictive analytics. AI's ability to analyze vast datasets will be further enhanced, allowing marketers to predict future trends, anticipate customer needs, and make proactive decisions that drive results. AI-powered automation. Repetitive marketing tasks will be increasingly automated, freeing up marketers' time to focus on strategic planning, creativity, and building relationships with their audience. The AI marketing revolution is still in its early stages, but the potential is vast. By embracing these advancements and adapting their strategies, marketers can stay ahead of the curve and unlock unprecedented opportunities for growth and success. The world of AI marketing is ripe with possibilities. For marketers ready to embrace the future, now is the time to explore these powerful tools and discover how they can transform your strategies. Start by experimenting with ChatGPT for content creation, DALL-E for generating stunning visuals, and Google Gemini for data analysis and predictive forecasting. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. By embracing these transformative tools, marketers can unlock unprecedented creativity, efficiency, and effectiveness in connecting with their audience and achieving their marketing goals.